And also be aware when you're starting a beef with me. I've got people. I'm the influencer. I'm a parapara. You might get killed without even me knowing. After umaningi solekile kwadumiwe yoba ndingise ngomthetho kwe-Illuminati.
Oh, bufuna ugqithisa ngabani wena? Uthatha time yakho. Kutheni khawubalise ngalonto leyo? What happened to Tamabibi and why did they stop working now?
Yo, Tayam, okay.
Yeah. Welcome to the biggest podcast in the world. Yeah. Me say dive into the rhythm, feel the new wave vibe. Yeah. Where fresh thoughts and voices come alive. Sondela, Amela, yeah. Asiphatelo kuhle kudwangena. Usakala nganeno, yangoba ufuna ukuphoswa yilento. Usiphatelo kuhle kudwangena.
Mary J Flower. I think abantu abaninzi mhlambe bayamane bezibuza igama lethini abanye noMabiba bakwazi nolibiza nalo balethini. But thina we understand igama liminisha ndoni. But mhlambe wena uzolicacisa usicacisele ba mhlambe uzoqala usicacisele qala you tell us more about yourself, like igama lami ndingubani nakabani and azibiza ngoMary J ngenxa kwakuthe yabo khasiphele ngcazelo incinci.
Yo. Okay, igama lasekhaya nguSibusiso wakwaSiwula. Usithathu lo ngoKopoyi ngoNdebe. Ndizalwa intombi yaseMandlaneni. Yeah, so anyway, musically dikhula kwela xesha loGwava. If
okay, dance lwandle.
Yeah. Primary at the time, yabo. And then some of amajita that were working with uGwava, I was going to school nabo yabo evuzamanzi SIT, omaqanda, ospa, amajita yejiva yabo. So I got inspired kumculo because at a time ndisuke eMthatha yabo. I just got here ndizofunda anifunda bana standard 3, I think, yeah. So I'm like, yeah, music, yeah, mameli quite too much at the time. So I'm listening to this kid. And then I'm like, mnana man, lo wenza le way, and they killing it. Yeah, but they passing the streets, kya perform, kwenziwa yonke le way. But the around I think 2007, I meet with uMaus Obuhle yabo. Nenye out yami kuthiwa ngo-Eiko. Nenye light kuthiwa ngoMalaxa ehlala estratweni sami yabo. And then we were like, yo. And then at the time ngosesimamela sekukhona, like, in fact mna being introduced with OPs or olawe omaXhoseni yabo, eza ohani no mic substance yabo, listening to lo mculo or Retex. I'm like, what? Exen mameli rap ke ngoyesixhosa. I'm like, yo, this shit is nice. And we're interested namajita yabo. We're like, yo, let's find a way to make this work nathi senze umculo yabo. So Peter Tosh by Side C kukhona amarasta akathanda host events outside of Peter Tosh. So we're like, yo, masiye phasi yobuza bana, how can we do this? So we get there, we meet with the Supreme from Exhosa. Yeah, so simcelo braba simcelo we want to do music. Yeah, how can we go about the way? Atumchita, okay, ati we need to write first, yabo. And then it took us through the process of making ingoma, writing, yabo, practicing and stuff. But now the problem that we had was with Supreme every day after school we have to go to Peter Tosh, sifike sibhale, kukhona stage mo Peter Tosh, so would perform. Sibane performer, but asithe siye studio siyo record yabo. And then ingoma sesiyazi ngenhloko yonke, but we just keep on performing this song all the time. And then at a time sidlala inqwelo yabo, ikasi si creating inqwelo. Eiko was very strategic, he's a very smart guy. Inqolo yakhe inezpeaker and kungena xesha kufika stereo esifakwe CD. So unenqwelo enezpeaker eback, and then umjita adlala umculo from istereo sakhe yabo. And then now Peter Tosh kukhona sibona iTV ezininzi yabo ne-radio ezibekiweyo pha but sihleli nje phansi so we're like yo nazi izipika siqhekeza i-radio siqhekeza i-TV sithatha izipika bayasizoyozifaka kwinqolo zethu yabo sidlala umculo.
Okay.
Hey qi uaya pha yabo uthi qi uRasta hey uRasta bambelele izandla enhloko ekhale yabo cha uRasta ulungisiwe izabantu yabo STV zezabantu sizolungisa yabo
naughty boys. Yo
so yo wayinomsino nyane yabo uRasta
yes uJamal noma wayekhala
yo bra wayekhala siwezabantu yabo so saqotha. So after sigqothiwe pha ndayeka yabo ndawudlala ibhola but amachita caba ayaqhubekeka wona nomculo because uMouse waba my killers with uMorgan berekhoda anoMashonisa uAko waba ku GTA yarekhoda noChinchi nabo berekhoda kuMashonisa yabo and then I hear ingoma ze my killers ke ngoku my killers phezulu komboko Mashonisa phezulu ke beat I'm like
okay so ngubani uthi ngubani ku
Mouse no Morgan pet at a time yabo I started with Mouse before babe my killers
because ngiyayikhumbula le ngoma uthetha ngayo yeah it was hot yeah ba uvuba hey ivoices zabantwana vele be ukube ne goosebumps
yeah and then now I'm like yo I relate more because I know them yabo and we are almost the same age group yabo amachita they are killing it ingoma zabo zintswimbo yabo they buzzing the streets and then I start doing music again but now I get to a high school that is 2009 so when I get to a high school I start writing again but in the dibana no Index from Exosa Index ufunda grade 12 so ngona I always thando zenza mdala mos abantu bayathanda ukuthi thando
hey thando zenza mdala
yeah so I get to high school
wedini
so I get to high school yabo enhlanganiso ndifunda pha grade 8 dibana no Index ufunda grade 12 he's already doing umculo yabo I associate myself with him and his friends so each home is funda grade 12 while funda grade 8 so I would chill with them get lunch after school we'd go kuye and then I would rap for him and then umchita athi no you're rapping your rap is nice but you're not rhyming yabo lines zakho zintswimbo but how rhyme so I'll teach you the way so umchita would create a beat and then we would write and then at the same time kuthi gqi uPeppo good dreams at a time that was like 2009 Peps naye is also starting his career at a time so sidibana ku Index so we would write basifundisa urhyme yonke la way yabo but Index uthi ana capacity to record you yabo ndisipana Exosa but I don't have a power to say come and record Exosa but I can teach you how to rap and then you can find maybe where you can work so kukhona enye out ekuthiwa ngoSiya that I was rapping with
which is so hard now nowadays to find abantu abanjalo umuntu onovela abenomdla nje ubantu akubonisa into ethile uyenza kanjani into
yeah
wow
so after school uNdex uhlala pha estradweni sasenhlanganiso yabo eBisek side C so we just walk from Esgela to his place sifike sibhale pha NC beats si record no we're not recording we're just writing and fundisa the process yobhala and then khona out time ekuthiwa ngoSiya that I was naye ndibhala naye umjita yabo we going to the same church ne out so siye quiz so ka siye quiz sibuye ecaweni this other day anikhombisa ba ekuse nansi ebackyard nake ebackyard anikhombisa kwama show yabo it's a studio I don't even know backyard at the time I don't even know my show but ngiqonde yo that is a studio let me go there yabo and then ngenye imini ndibuye eKerk ndiye pha ndifike ndongqongqoza kula house ndifuna uMashonisa dibana noKid uthi uKid nguye uMashonisa yaba I don't even know this nigga yeah said uMashonisa fit wizard
ufuna ukimali
izinqumisa ime ivule unyango leyaka yabo gqiba ndime phandle mina yawo mfutshane ile kaka extend uMashonisa fit wizard yabo didama nextend ize ngendaba yestudio yabo ithi masify siye roomini nyanga xa ndifika pha ndibana namashow I'm young at the time ndifuna ndifike high school yabo so ndifaka kumashow ndithi kusekhona man ndivile mama bakuthe une studio ya record yabo I'm a dope artist but I don't have money but I want to record izilakhe zonke iziprise yabo but mashow athi kusena wakho wey atsala camera yakho ba ekuseka u rap yabo anyana videorize di rap for mashow yabo athi okay cool yabo next week Friday yabo go out there get a beat next week Friday at 1 o'clock come back and record buyele back to Index yabo kuse dibene noMashaw fika sene excited ngixalela ba kuse yo dibene noMashaw ndiyile backyard so uMashaw uthi mandize ne beat for u record and then umjida makes the beat for me la ngoma besibhala so yi2 at practice isa yona again ngo 1 o'clock I went back to uMashaw fika sa record noMashaw yabo fika uFan D qha ngoku umjida I think intro ye beat yenze almost 1 minute.
Yo,
Now for a first rapper, what am I gonna say? Go 1 minute. Yo,
nobe uMaskandi.
yeah, dibane ndi yeah.
Artist kaMaskandi ndana.
So ndithethiwe ibone la weba uthi be lost in the moment. Yathi Fan D, yo fit yabhora leyo yenzayo.
Yo wes kutsho a dope as
yeah. Yo kusemshumayeli every time bizwa mshumayeli because I was going to a church yabo. So yo mshumayeli yabhora leyo yenzayo.
Zoshumayela. Zorepa bazawushumayela.
So yeah, I record the song iphume. That's where my music career starts. Go back to a backyard again to record and then uMashaw is like
Wait, ngayibile ngoma le yokuqala. Very good le.
yo ethina ikusenda isusa xa ndisusa mshumayeli boss ya no ayaziwa like that.
Okay, zangiphuma. Okay, yaphuma but zayifikelele ebantwini. Ngazela xesha
I
lebhutut.
didn't have a fan base like that.
Okay.
But esikolweni sami isaziwa yabo because it has to circulate because ndifunda pha yabo.
Yes. Unoba kunjani kuwe ke ngomshumayeli ngela xesha?
Excited ka mshumayeli. The excited da yabo. First thing you do, you fika endlini, you play it for your family yabo. It's the first time uziva recorded yabo. So ndiyafika ndiyidlala endlini and excited and my mom is like, yo, this is nice yabo. Nabantu estratweni, I'm sending everyone like sending a Bluetooth at a time. Nasesikela I was spreading the song. Saphinde sabuyela sacela ixolo Peter Tosh. Now sekulate 2 years later yabo, and then saphinde saqala uperform apha ke ngoku yabo. After that I go to uMashaw again for another recording session. So he sits me down at this moment and he's like, yo Mamela, I've got 2 boys around the same age as you in barekodayo apha imay killers yabo. I'm not gonna be able ukwenza ixesha for wena and make time for bona unless you guys can match and become one. Yeah.
Okay.
And then I will be able to accommodate you because I'm working with a lot of artists. And you remember we're not paying. Yabo, and usipana nabantu ababhatalayo at the time. Yabo. So he starts recording us, yabo. But I think most of the ingoma that we recorded, he never released them. And he explained it later about why he didn't release those songs. Yabo. I think they were whack. I don't know.
No.
And he's like, later on, sometimes is the way they come back for you. Yeah, but but it's important to record so that you are cooler as an artist. But it's not okay to release everything. It's a new way that you need to hold.
Okay.
And then
Yeah.
So we start working as my killers. I think that was like 2009, 2010, 2011. I'm already learning how to produce, how to do it. I'm friends with Empire. I'm friends with Ofaro, Mayhem. And I also know Daisy at a time. With Daisy, we're going to the same school. Now I found grade 12 when I got to a high school. So I would go with these people, learn how to make beats. Natlando Kwamashaw, I was already learning about EYST. But okay, how does it do this? No. And I don't have a computer. Endlini sihlala ko 1 room lityotyombe. But uMorgan out here unayo computer pha endlini no mouse. So I'm like, let's make it work, man niggas. Let's buy a mic. We bought a mic like this one. I think it's 150. So we started recording pha. In fact, we didn't start nge-mic. Siqale nge-headsets ezine mic to record. Manqoba was there. I think Nai was also starting to record with ST. So we would come through and then we would figure it out. Saqala record while we're still working with uMashaw, but we were also recording ourselves on the side. Yabo, ezinye ingoma sizikhupha. And then that's where Cash Inc was born.
Okay.
Yeah. So, and then saqala record ngoku we're releasing music, and then 2012 I lost to Olate yabo. I lost to Olate in 2012. So endlini was a bit tough. Firstly akho mntu sipanayo yabo. Grootman yami sevarsity, sister yami college, ndiseskela, my younger brother primary. So akho mntu sipanayo, and then Oleti was always umuntu othengisayo. Either with sithengisa chips or sithengisa biscuits or sithengisa ntoni, but she's always been someone that sells for us to survive.
And buhlala nomama ko qha.
Yeah, sihlala ne-Oleti kule one room.
Akho time. Okay.
So liku Oleti. In fact, let me go back. Ngondifika high school, kukhona imini year efika high school okwayo igqiba uphuma evarsity yaqala ufundisa isikela kuthiwa Mr. Keswa, yabo. Umtshita loves hip hop. So ndiyafika esikela, I'm a rapper. Grootman thanda umamela hip hop too much. So i-conversation yethu ya link. And then he was interested ku-movement yethu, yabo. So I introduced him to my killers, I introduced him to my guys. So he would come azosicela ezindlini, yabo, to take us to events. So he became our manager.
Oh,
Yabo.
That's nice.
So we built a relationship outside of his scale. So he would come xa sisiya ko-bush radio, head warmers, okanye sisiya radio sibonela kweza events as a hip hop. Sasisebusuku mos ngo-10 and we're young. So ebezosicela ebazalini asithathe, and then he would take us to kulo event aphinde abuye azosdrop. So he was trusted about zifamily zethu. And then usula kwe-Oleti, he's like, yo my guy, I know your situation. How about you come and stay with me? Yabo. I'll talk with my wife. We'll figure it out. We'll make it work, man. I'm like, yo, no problem. Yabo. So ndizophungula umthwalo kwifamily yakho, yabo, because I can see ngokuba things are gonna be tougher because akekho lamntu that was making things work, yabo. So I moved ndohlala eMfuleni ke ngonomtshita. So we get there, he buys me equipment, speakers, computer and microphone. We start recording as Ikesh Ingi ke ngoku. That's where we started working musically and working independently outside of a backyard, I'm still going to a backyard tour my show, but now we're making our own music, get terms as it, making our own beats, downloading beats, and
yeah. Into yakhona le beats, yeah.
So yeah, music career yami iqale pha, yabo, and then until that point ngoku I was like, okay, see Cash Inc ngoku. There's a Too Fresh gang under a Cash Inc. We are pushing. Also now we have more artists that we work with as a recorder up a studio. And yeah, Sakula from there. Same year. Now Disalim Fuleni, I go to an event and you perform pa Titibana no Nagili. It's not my first time. It's not my first time encounter na let's say, yeah. First time sa Steven nayo, there was a conflict. Yeah, you understand? Kala ka mutivana naye, why in a beef? Yeah, why in a beef in the backyard? So Nandi under a backyard. So anyone or say backyard, go ban. It was dissing anyone. Yeah, also. But now umchita uthi clean performer. Usuka from a back as a friend as a bukela when I was killing the show like crazy. And then after a performance, was on Bahama bike, say, yo, that was nice. Yeah, bo. Tsuhimbula we yenzeleyo pam. Urecorda pin. So I tell him now I've got my studio. Yeah, boy, buzuhlala pin. I'm like lapa around. It's like, yo, we need to make a song. Like, yeah, no problem. Let's go to your studio and work it out. We go to your studio. See, they choose the beat. I think it was a downloaded beat, not really downloaded, but ingoma in the beat bonifike igqibeleni beat yaqhubekeka. So I cut it and I use a loop, and then we recorded the first song, I Am a King.
Okay.
The song went just like that. Gogo yengoku ngimeri J Flower from that song.
Yeah, umshumayeli.
Yeah, ngiyekela ngumshumayeli.
So now udibana noNcikile nje usengumshukayeli.
No, be sending Mary J Flower.
Okay.
Ubang Mary J Flower started I think 2011. We recorded a song voice to voice no Sarah no Smoko. Yeah, City Marijuana.
Oh.
Yeah, I was doing the
okay. And yeah.
So that's Biza Marijuana. Yeah, and then Ukiri was like, yeah, too young fit for Biza. It's too obvious. Yeah, bo. For being marijuana, marijuana for abantu, yeah, but it gives a different image. But Mary J Flower would work. So that's how I got the name.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. Well, kodwa wayi-right la mfollower.
Yeah, can be class.
At least noko Mary J noko usoundeka right. Hey, xa uzozibiza ngo-marijuana. Hey.
Biza ngensango straight at
Hey,
young. Yeah.
ngaba inkuntsela yelantsika yerasta mfundini elithi umthari.
Cociphethe ezininzi.
Elithi umthari ebandini. Okay, mamela une-questions ezininzi ne. Ndine-worry yoba ndingazibuzi ezi questions zininzi apha and then ndibuze kakhulu mna then ixesha linditye phaya yabo.
Okay.
So ndiyacinga uba icebo yazi ntoni because you've got a lot like I think 60 something laa nto ye-questions. So ndicinga uba mandivele ndingene kubo.
Okay.
Yabo ndivele ndinikele kubo because iyacaca uba ngabo bafunayo ukubuza mandiyeke mna yabo.
Okay.
Masiqale ngalona nansi ke question yokuqala masiqale ngayo because I think the question lena iza emva kwanto ugqiba uyithetha. That's why ngiqonda masivele ndingene
Qale
kuzo
ngayo,
qha.
okay.
I think uza kwincoko kwilantuka kule ngcombolo ugqiba uyibeka. All right, uthi ke nguzano Thando lo umrapper naye yamazi
So I'm not sure. Maybe.
Zano noba umazi
Probably, I don't know. Like ndine fan base eninzi.
and ngomrapper nabo lo fan.
And then bakhona ba rapper among them.
Okay, so udlo mjita lona, what happened between him and Nikki Z and why they do not push Legends group or there is no longer Amakul in this industry and how Amakul formed the group. Was he the part of that or he arrived while the Kulus have been grounding? Last one, where is Tofolas? Why him and Z do not try to help Streezy to be back on the game? So the questions is I think zintathu. That's noba siqale ngeyokala na.
Sizama uziphendula but
Ngexesha.
ikhona endiyilibileyo and
Ndizawuphinda
yeah. So firstly amakhulu ndifika sekhona yabo i300 years omankathini nomaningi they already formed like group sikudala beperforma sikudala besaziwa in fact. So when umaningi approached me ku event they are already 300 years and they are already been performing artists yabo. So I just took them. In fact, they approached me about for a feature, but we ended up working together. They under a studio Sam. So I was never 300 years.
Yeah.
It was a collapse. They wanted me kwingoma, and because I had a studio, I'm an artist that records all the time. Sometimes the chorus and then they beke phana ngayisebenzisi. So when they come to a studio and maybe I play that by hand, bafuna ujumpa in kuyo. So I never said no. I was sanungena kule ndifuna uyenza ngokwami. So that's how me. And then secondly,
Hey, yemadoda. Le ndoda le
yakhona lo mfana.
awufuna ukuphinde uyobethwa ngamoya.
I can
Bethwa
lie.
umoya. Uyobethwa umoya. Okay,
Okay, I think that's the first question. Ndiphendulile ne.
yeah, busathi if first ink ngowe wedwa ne.
Cash Inc.
Cash Inc.
No, Cash Inc. It was my label. So these guys were under it 300 years, but they were recording kum. Yabo. So I was working with them. Yabo. Otherwise, I was not 300 years. It was a Mary J. Flower 300 years collaboration. If you can go back, or even if you go to YouTube and search my name, not even one song you will see Kupalo 300 years and I'm in it. It's always featuring Mary J. Flower or Mary J. Flower featuring 300 years.
Okay.
Meaning we were collaborating. Yeah, but we were working together. And Nikki Z, there's a question about Nikki Z, why we are not reforming the 300 years or why we're not working together. Me and Nikki Z were cool. I love her so much. She respects me. When I was working with 300 years, Nikki Z was not part of 300 years as a crew. She was a friend of Amajita. And I don't even recall Ingome one yaki at the time when Amajita, when they were still alive or when Nikki was alive. Yeah,
Kungoke besazama ungena okanye
yeah. So I don't know. Maybe because they were recording with studios as needs, not just Kum.
Okay.
But under my watch in my studio, we never worked on any song with Nikki Z like that, yabo. But she was there with Amachita. She would go to events now, yabo, which respectfully acknowledge Londole. So for me to say, but let me re-inform 300 years with Uniki Z. I don't know how. I've never worked with her in that level
Okay.
of umculo. Like even Amachita when they were alive, there is no song Yam Nai in 300 years.
Okay.
So what are we reinforming? Yeah, she can push the name Yamakulu. She's always been respecting it, yabo, and always there for Amachita in so many ways that I cannot say about Pamgwe Kamera. So if she wanna push la way, Amachita are still in my heart. Yabo, I would always mention them wherever I go. They played a huge role in my life. But I don't know how I can re-inform 300 years with her. Like for me.
And that is the lead Shaglandi one, yoba. That is why you can't even help Lost Threes but Tetangai because na yo bunga.
Same thing. Streezy was only introduced to Kum Gumankatin after Ungi died. I never knew him when Ungi was alive. So they came Umankatin Uza no Streezy Kum introduced him Bango Prata Kamaningi. I'm like, okay, cool. Yabo. And they like, let's make a song. We made one song. I don't remember the name, but it was nice. Yabo. Say recorder. And then people loved it. After that, there was a diss track. I don't know where it came from. But also, I think the third question was asking about Tofalas.
Yeah, Tofalas, I think that was the last one. Where is Tofalas?
I don't know Tofalas. I never met him.
Okay. All right. Ubuhle Quintin Gijana uthi uMary Jane noMankatheni andikhumbuli bene track bobabini even unqiki esekhona nangoku seyibhodile. So umbuzo wami uthi amajita awevana nyani or awayidityaniswa kumaningi.
Okay, I think like I said ekuqaleni abanenqiki approached me. We made a song together and we did like a lot of songs, yabo. And including with Umankatheni, we never had problems. I never had problems with Mankatheni. He was a good writer. I respected him, in fact, musically. He's a good writer. He's got good personality and stuff. But he never came to studio yet. He would come yet and he would work on the music now. Yena Caesar, he would come to my Umaningi. So there was no time where Mnanaye or Bobana Senzingoma so too. We never had that chance. And then also, like I say, after Unriki, he came with Streezy. We recorded one song. And then after that, there was a diss track, Diswakuyo, with Streezy.
Streezy, no Mankatheni.
Yeah, the last time I saw them was after Unriki died and they came to record a studio. So after the diss track, I've never seen him until now. I've never seen those guys. I think
you know.
Yeah, and about 2013, like facially, so we never had an encounter. Okanye zange ndibe ku space ku event bakhona kanye kuthini yabo. Dababuza futhi like say why? Like come on bro. I don't know if abantu besinebadisa song esinedisana esidisi kaka. I know Nciki was that guy and I understood why in that diss yabo. In terms of building a name, Mankatheni wanted to build igama lika Streezy. Because Maningi was there. Like, why it is so peaceful? Like,
okay, can we take this one quickly?
Okay.
Can we take this one? I think it's for you.
It's a video call.
Itawola.
Itawola.
Sithini lapho?
Standard kanjani? I was hoping zosala le way now.
Exeta wesibe nifuna kanjani nokuza qhanbanjwe inkomo.
Oh, ndicinga bakunike day off espan.
Dayo banvimbili wesindilwe kanjani da. Otherwise
mamela ndicinga ukhadenza ukulalisile namhlanje.
Okay, sick leave. Okay, let's cut le ezoncoko ez. Ingabe ukhona umbuzo nayo for yena sisenayo apha studio and ngoku sibuza imibuzo kanye ibuzwa ngabantu.
Okay.
Sure. Benombuzo oyi-1 wena tane about ilantoza about ijeni yakho ne but ndayikhatha short because ikhanikwazi ukubamba incoko beninayo apho e-studio. So bemfuna uqonda like ilantoza the TEF isaqhubeka okanye singaze siphinde siyilindele anytime soon.
Yo, that's a good question. I think
that's a good one. I think ukhona into bezayibuza.
I think abantu abaninzi bayibuzile la question about the TEF.
Bayibuzile ne?
Yeah. But mamela nakuza kuphendula ngokusela apha emnxebeni.
Okay.
So the TEF when out it's a project I started with Alpha yabo.
Sure.
I started as in fact we online sibona competition yabo about submitting short film and you win oyethile yabo. So these guys, they were
Yeah.
actually giving away effects and sounds that you need to use yabo to create low way. So Alpha is like, yo, I would love to do this, and can I write something on it yabo for like 1 minute to 2 minutes. But I think I wrote a way that took 7 minutes instead, yabo. So we shot it. Umchita Waikata was submitted the 1 minute that he wanted, but we decided to post la 7 minutes bese shutile. People got interested and they wanted more. So it was not something that we wanted to continue with. Sasenze the competition, but we ended up siyenzela for abantu, yabo. But we had difficulties, man, fit when it comes to actors. We're a small crew, spy two car, so we had to multitask. We had to write. In fact, I had to practice with the actors. We had to shoot. We had to edit. We have to be clip boards guys. We had to, in fact, we had to do everything. So it was draining. So Alpha, when he left to a US, it was kind of straining, yabo. There is episode we did 3 episodes as Koyo ku YouTube, but there is episode 4 that we shot, but I think we shot since Zimbabwe. But I think at the moment I lost the drive, yabo, like he demotivated kancing. But I'm willing to continue, but I'm also still working on getting a crew that can work with me, yabo. Abantu abanjengo Cadenza, so that can help out, and if I can get that, and also abantu that are also what can I say, abantu aba woke in terms of applying for TV or applying for EYST, so that, because as we fit, they come out of our pockets, yeah, but we need to make sure by crew yacha, cast yacha, so as they need to come out of your pocket here because there's no funding. Another time I was doing the TEF, I was not even working. I didn't even have gigs. I didn't have money. Yabo. So if it's in Zinjalo, so I'm still working anyway in Zinjalo. If they can work out, we can continue with the TEF, or we might not continue, but we will still create as new projects that will be even have more value. I don't have to start there. Yabo. So it might not. But episode 4 is a Puma yena because I'm shooting already. Yeah.
Okay, the reason to boost the reason to boost the question, the idea like I would like to share with you, about the TEF. The idea when a hot man like opinion ukubeke naye, but at the same time usebenzisane ne-artists zasekasi like amajida aculayo asakhulayo nawo nasekudala besegaming already ne. So here's a catch ne. Uthatha amajida, certain people like when there's something at the album, so but the album cover yelantoze at the TEF, yabo usebenzise ingoma zaselokishini zonke lamajida akhulayo ezesiphaza ezintoni na, uthatha uzihlanganise pha ku the TEF. I promise you abekasini ngaya kude kakhulu, like umsebenzi wakho mhle kakhulu wenzayo. Like I'm one of your fans, I'm one of the guys ohlala phansi like akubukele every time awubukisa. I would love ukuthi uye kude kakhulu like ukhule ube big let the TEF nomculo at the same time. Otherwise I appreciate your time guys lami ngosini kakhulu.
Thank you bafo siyabulela man, siyabulela ngecall.
That was la point as in inswembu yabo. And then also it's something that Mojo, it's something that I'm already working on. I already have a bit. I wanted to do that like a project, a whole album with different artists on it, make songs for the TEF. I wanted to make original songs about for the TEF, not necessarily for the TEF like I said, but if there is any other project that comes, I wanted to have local artists record a whole album, feature a lot of artists. We spoke about it with my guys. We got a couple of beats, but the only thing we're going to do is to approach these guys, these artists, and start working on the songs. So yeah.
Okay. Alright, masiphinde sifake omnye umbuzo. Ngopha umbuzo sinawo ngok uvela kuSira. Yeah, uSira uthi ngoku, and I think ulandele emva kwalento sithetha ngaye kanye ye lanto ke yokushuta kwakho as short films. Uthi what inspired you to start your videography journey? Imibuzo yakhe ndicinga uba mine. imibuzo yakhe mine andazi noba ndiyibuze ngokulandelelana nayo okanye ndilinde omnye uphendule na. Omnye uthi, can you share particularly challenging project you have worked on and how you overcome any obstacles?
With the TEF.
Okay.
I'm working with a cast of Abantu, I think over 20. And like I said,
What? Over 20?
Over 20.
Damn.
Yeah. So you can imagine, like I said, we are a small crew. So yonke into depends on me. I have to interact with everyone. And then while still on that, kwabantu by 20, you've got people that are giving you difficulties. Yeah, you got people that you shot and advertised, baba respected in the streets. Now they're acting bigger than the project. Now you have to beg them. Do you understand? Nikubacenge ngoku baba ningathi bakwenzele favor. Yeah. So I had to endure the way. Yeah, ndinyamezele and be like, hey, I want to work on this project. Even when I felt like, yo, man, you know what? Ifumanayo any weekly way, yeah, I can just drop it. But also among ababantu ndispana nabo bakhona abantu that take it very, very seriously, and they put their life on the line for this thing. Yeah, they respect it, they want it. Like ukumbona umuntu uyayifuna le way. So I was like, I'm not gonna let these guys feel like being a way ban discourage. Dingakwazi uqhubekeka nabo abayifunayo le way. So I think it was very challenging.
Okay. So I think uphinde wathi ke, what inspired you to start a videography journey?
When I was doing music like that back in the days.
Okay, can you just pass me as your headphones first?
Okay.
Okay.
So like when I was like when we do music, yabo, back in the days, we didn't have so many videographers available, yabo, for us to shoot a music video and stuff. And it's always been a dream to shoot. So most of his that I didn't get a chance obazenziwe for him na. I always wanted to get to a point where mna ndizenzela omnye umuntu.
Yeah.
Yabo, zonke izinto mna ngiqonda ba extend shota ngazo. Like I wanted people to dress me up for nangibona abantu benxityiswa mos at a time kwathini yabo. I started uGazlam wear on those bases so that I can be able to unxibisa ezinye artists yabo that cannot be able babe brand when they go into an event or going to a way that needs appearance and so. So I think most yezinto like inspiration ebangela bandenze izinto comes from izinto that I didn't have access kuzo. And I just wanna push very hard to have everything that I didn't have and give it out to abantu that don't have it because I know the struggle. I think the motivator low way.
Okay, and then hayi lo muntu lona uyabuza lona man.
Uyabuza sichabha.
Andazi noba ndithini nje
sakudala.
Ndanoba ndiphinde ndim but at least ingxaki andifuna ungambuzi lo mbuzo because ulandela lento ugqiba ithethe uba what motivated you to start your clothing brand and what's the story behind it?
Yo. In fact, uGazlam wear. Let me put it this way. So, uGazlam fact, we know but uGazlam means my blood, brotherhood wise and sisterhood. When I say ba amchitali Gazlam, yabo, say Gazlam, you know, xa ndisekoneni, letsotsi ngakwazi unibhela. Yabo. Xa ndisendaweni ethile, umjita, nanku umjita nokwazi umbamba. When you say Gazlam is deeper than just Lewis ithetha Gazlam. So, in fact, I printed my t-shirt. I didn't even think about doing a clothing line at the time. I just was like, yo, I would love to wear a t-shirt ebhalwe Gazlam. Ndawuthenga i-t-shirt, ndawuyiprinta yabhalwa Gazlam, ndayinxiba ndenza ifoto, ndaposta. Abantu bandibuza abantu abaninzi ba, where did you get this t-shirt? Where did you buy it? How can I get it? I was like, okay. And then that shit started. And then ngoku ndaqala ukwenzela abantu. uGazlam ngiqale kanje, I'm not gonna say ba I was doing a fashion no, it's not that deep. It's easy like that. Ndazenzela i-t-shirt abantu ba interested kuyo, babuza ndifumana phi ndathi bangayifumana kum, baqala ufumana kum kuba besayifumana kum namhlanje.
Okay, all right. I think unawo onye umbuzo wesibini. Let me just quickly grab this phone. Uthi ke ngolomjita. Okay, ngonye umjita lo.
Okay.
Yeah, kusinethemba baba lo okanye baba ndiyazi kodwa yeah ubhalwe baba. So okay, now that you are behind the lens and as a videographer,
Yes.
how has visual storytelling changed how you see hip hop, and how should rappers think about the camera as a part of the culture, not just content?
Yeah, that's very deep.
Hayi ndiyayiva le ba yeah.
Yeah. And boy, questions ezinje, you don't have to wanna sound smart. Like ways we sound the dumb ways. Yeah, it's people away ayimjita ibuzayo yabo. For him, like I said, bana inspiration got to me based on izinto that I didn't have access kuzo yabo. And we know man yabo kasi lifestyle, ispaza, irapper, we don't have money yabo. Firstly, imali asinayo yabo. Or imali khona, but we don't know how to make money yabo through the way. There are few individuals that know how to. And also when you look at into it in the camera, firstly the first thing you think, like I'm going to talk about me. When I look at music videos, I think it's the most expensive shit. Before I started doing music videos, I was like, yo, to shoot a music video, it must be very expensive. To a point that I never even approached abandabane cameras because I was like, I'm not going to afford it. Yeah, bro. So we doing visuals for locals. We're doing visuals for people that we know, but they cannot afford to pay a certain amount of your videos. And so we know, but we have to adjust the prices. We can't charge like se charge a Cam's Bay. Yabo, you can't go to a cast or yes, but by afford to wait till when you charge a price high. That means you're not gonna have clients. So visually, I came in as a videographer, and I was like, I wanna make change. Yabo, I wanna be part of a band that are making change visually in terms of storytelling. Ekasi. Back in the days, in fact, we didn't need it that much. We needed videos, but we didn't need them that much because social media was not a thing.
Yeah.
To be popular and get Bluetooth. But now we live in a visual world. People wanna see things. They wanna like Umchitebu, not content wise, but storytelling. If you shoot them, I always wanted to shoot madness, no tamfura, or I can't do this. But they haven't given me that chance. I have a story that I want to share visually. The same story they are talking about. I don't want to shoot them performing the song. I want to shoot the actual action of the words. It's a story. When someone is listening to the song, they can see, but nakumchita, utati ARVs zake, eosi, dibana lechiri, akayazi ba yotini, pa
Yeah.
So also when I listen to your songs, that's what I think visually about and storytelling. Amachita, they doing that way, but that song was never shot. There's no music video for that song. And I feel like a music video walangoma would hit. And there's so many songs as in Twembo that I would feel like if they can get a visual side, they would actually kill. Yeah, but I'm not sure if in the pendula question like Benchil, but if in the pendula too much is another two.
Yeah, ezakwenza do.
Yeah.
All right, must move again. Master PIP. That one, Master IP. I know bangwe, Master IP.
Yeah.
Why uMary J engasa release track no Tini Gennaro kodwa balapha eKapa boy 2?
That's my boy. That's my boy. Yo, Tiny Gennaro. Anyway, let me take you back and Tiny. So when I go to high school, I told you my story about my learning journey to hip hop.
Yeah.
But what I didn't tell you was that throughout my learning journey, I was also a teacher. So when I was being taught how to rhyme or index, I was teaching Utine how to write at the same time. So before I joined my class, to high school, to no Tiny, and I want someone to rap with. Utine loves hip hop. Yeah, but hey, tsala nzima man. Ila isam kukhona majita yabo kuthiwa ngosina yabo esigeleza now. How much that time hip hop anengoma zo Eminem kwathini yabo. Utine also loves hip hop that much. Hey, le nwana le eskowayo yaphathisa. I think I party 10 rand at the time yabo eskel. Le nwa osina athi kusekuze ndikhuphele ingoma ze hip hop ufuna ukubhatala 20 rand. yeah intwana yami yayizikhulu isave 2 days ingatya skela for ubhatala umjito bayikhuphele lengoma ze hip hop zo Eminem like this nigga loves hip hop so ndithi kumjito kusefe you don't want to be a crew with me senza umculo athi umjito sure yabo but akakwazi ubhala akamind but akarap yabo uyathanda nje umamela hip hop but akangomrapper like it's fine I'm going to write for you I wrote the first verse then ndifundisa urhyme mama so ndifundisa urhyme nami funeka iphele kanje na ndimbhalele umjito bake ayi practice abuye ngomso ndimva ba uthini the following day I wrote the second verse food for yena eclassini qha ngoku the second time ndithi kuye hamba uyo practice le way ubhale something ezoba nesiphelo esifanayo yabo when he came back with something crazy like even since kunezibini imbhalela zona like I was like what so we start writing nomjita so throughout these years ndisipana emculweni ndifunda naye umjita ndifunde naye from grade 8 until grade 12 so yonke la minyaka okube ndibhala naye eclassini a lot of songs we have a lot of songs that are not recorded so ndi joined my killers I tried to bring him on but there was something that was said to Masho by him about him ayithethileyo yabo then Masho ended up cutting him ba singaxa sisiye studio siye nomjita yabo ufuna usibona so i3 so asakwazi uba sisipane nomjita yabo at that particular moment but ndayomcelela ku Empire like say Empire I've got this artist man endicela umrecord so umjita wa work voice to voice wa record he made a name for himself throughout a voice to voice so when I started Cash Inc in fact after uNgqikilitye died and then nomjita started working ngoku on umculo most of ingoma esizirecordileyo ezihorhonotyi no Tiny zingoma besizibhala throughout the years from a high school so we've been working together but not studio wise but musically so we worked nomjita for isikhathi eside for la minyaka but I left I went to Joburg 2017 and then ndake ndaba away man from umculo kancinci ndawo your life wami yabo when I came back to Cape Town umjita went to Eastern Cape kwakhe wayohoya ingxaki zakhe when he came back we tried bone udibana but badala ngoku yabo with a lot of responsibilities kukhona abantwana siyasipana asifana nase high school times were fun yabo we had all the time in the world to work a studio and record but ngoku there is not so much time for udibana se record setting but we still talk we still good we still want to do music whenever we get a chance we will get into the studio and record
Umjita Artivist Entrepreneurs Pty Ltd brings you the fresh Umjita Dry Gin, Umjita Wines, Artivist Dry Gin, Artivist Wine. You can get it anywhere. Just holler at us 08403819000 or you can contact Cadenza at New Wave Podcast and get hold of us. Ijan Endala, Ijan Yaseka Umjita, a representation of a hero yaselokishini.
Yebhuti ukhona onye ubhuti apha obuzayo apha
uthini ta
yeah so uyabuza ke lo bhuti kutakem GP da camera okay da camera uta camera what happened to Tamabibi and why did they stop working now? Cause I think he posted about into your family neyokyalwa kwemali. Also, what happened into your donations? Cause after that post, he posted something about the donations to someone. Someone correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah, which is someone correct me if I'm wrong. Digqibele kudala kulo Facebook. All right. Ufuna nje ucaciselwa lo mfu apha.
Yo, Tayam, okay. Last year, didibana nenye out yami yabo, ya engahlala phekasi. In fact, idigqipha elingini, pha eCrafendane yabo, umshito uvaya noMabibi, uvaya noRichi, and then yo umshita ndimgqibele kudala like manje ndimgqibele ngo2015 yabo so it's a hype sencokola yabo yonke la way abenibalisela but the following day they shooting a music video with Mabibi jokes saying kanjani mfethu that's dope yabo congratulations and stuff so the following day they call me uba yo la tsotsi beso shoota nice disappointed kwathini are you available to shoot yabo to shoot lo music video and stuff. So ndithi sure no akho way yabo. Athi amajita no akho way. And the following day they pulled through, they picked me up. Class fika pha ndibuza ID, banibalisela ID. They wanted to do a house party for Impepho yabo, something like that. But ID yes, I span. So I'm just like you said, let's suggest locations that we can shoot yabo kuzo. Following day comes, so I'm like, yo, let's suggest about which locations, because much that they say they want to shoot the music video at night. So they come around 6, they pick me up, we go and get some drinks. The first location we went to is Sanctuary City. We shot kuzo zonke. In fact, I'm not gonna like
yeah.
So we shot the music video Impepho yabo, and then I came and I edited. I said they must come through a studio to see and approve. So they came. We made some changes yabo panapa on the draft that I did for Impepho.
So did they book you for the Gwenzala? It's just friends.
No,
G.
Outiam that approached me for it, yabo. So I did it for him, yabo. So we shot it, but I edited the music video. The music video was done, and then Urichi, the guy that is on I think verse 2, Impepho, yabo, is the one that wanted to shoot that video, yabo.
So
Urichi is not my guy at the moment. At that time. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yabo.
And he was the manager.
Urichi, a manager, kama bibi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now
So,
we clear.
yeah. So after the Niku Urichi project, yeah, okay, Abu's how much for the music video. So nimgalele how much I charge for music video, and he sent it immediately. Yeah, but he sent the man Mjita, and then from there he started coming to my place. Yeah, but in fact we had a good relationship even during out the shoot. Yeah,
Okay.
That even after he shoots we still had that relationship of coming to my place, going to his place. Yeah, but so we kept that relationship with Mjita. Now we started working. So Mjita went to Eastern Cape. So what happened? Mjita saw Umabibi online on TikTok. Like, yo, Mjita, he's got numbers. Yabo. There's a potential to monetize than just being a joke. If you can try to take it seriously, then maybe Lewe would take him somewhere. Okay. Hence the music video, the initiation for music video. And he still had goals to build Mjita. Yabo. So I'm just someone that came and added Ivilu, Glond. So we shot the music video. I submitted it on Channel O and MTV Base on the price that Mjita paid. And then Mjita was not on Facebook, my baby, if you noticed. I took him to Facebook. We go TikTok, and then I changed it. I mentioned I'm stuck on Facebook, and then he started. I'm not saying about Facebook being a mice, but baby mice like TikTok. So now they started seeing him go Facebook. Yabo, created a page for him. So we started working on him, Norwich, together. Yabo, I still don't claim any part as a management or anything. I'm just a friend helping out.
Okay.
Yeah. So Urich is the one who went to Eastern Cape because Mjita is differently able. Yabo.
Yeah.
So Mjita went to Glomabibi, offered permission for Umtata, Amzese, a Cape Town. Yabo. And he had to take him with someone else that understands Umabibi in a condition yake to come to a Cape Town. I'm understand I figure up. So I figure out there are two guys. The other guy started with TikTok with Umabibi, yabo, which is Uvus. Started with TikTok with Umabibi, but using igama lakhe as Uvus. And then Kevin also grew up with Umabibi. He also had an account INZ yapalwa with Umabibi on TikTok, so which he was doing it for Umabibi. So Rich wanted to bring both of them, both three in fact, to a Cape Town. But there's a beef in between. I don't know how. Kevin doesn't mind, or Rich Uvusi didn't wanna come if Kevin, yes. So he came with both of them, Umabibi no Kevin, to a Cape Town. So I think after kuphumela away, there was statements esenziwa ifamily yakhe yabo about the way to be nemali phakathi. Now you can imagine Umabibi is a joker, was working with TikTok, nobody is booking him, nobody is paying him for anything. He's not getting money. Urichi goes to Eastern Cape to take this nigga. Yabo. Uyizisa eKapa on his funds. He buys him clothes. Yabo. Uhlala pha kuye in fact Mjita during the process. Yabo, doing everything for the guy. And now I'm part of this movement. Yabo. And I'm like, okay, let me push these guys. I'm not sure if you get me. So let me push this. I've got numbers on Facebook. Let me play part on this side and push Lomjita. So that happens. So family yakhe post something about wait nemali man yabo. But angisakhumbula isithini lapho usekhumbula isithini lapho sebhalwe sister wakho uze simphendula. No, uthi about these people aba create accounts fake accounts ngomabibi batya imali ngaye. Yabo. Lo muntu lo nguKevin. uKevin is the one that came to enansikeni Cape Town umabibi yeah. So did reply lo sisi ndithi say uyayicinga lo yithethayo. How can someone, because Kevin is a rapper, he's sacrificing his rap career for umabibi usuke le Eastern Cape waza nomntana ko win up Cape Town. Now you are saying by yena create fake account for ukutya imali. Do you know by way online spanna njani qala just to see umntana ko win ba online uya popular. Facebook was not even paying at the time. Yabo abantu abaninzi bayambona, you think by wenza imali ngalondo just because esenze rounds, you understand? So we had a back to back confrontation ngalo way. Sister wakhe wanxela straight about, no, I don't want to deal with you, I want to deal with Urich is manager when they are just a music video shooter for Impep. So anything that has to do with my baby, I want to talk to Urich. I said sure, fine. But ngixela says we susa online man yabo. But ke kungabikho way wena tama nexe ivayile way yabo. I'm still good with my baby no Rich yabo. We work last year December, I get a booking for Umabibi for the event. Cause now what I'm trying to do is I want to approach event organizers to book Umabibi. Umabibi is not booked, I can perform it anyway. So I want him to go and perform. So when you're pushing an artist, you go to event organizer and be like, yo, we don't want to get paid, yabo. But can you allow my artist to perform? I shoot that guy while he's performing. When I post on social media, I create an illusion of this guy is being booked so that people can see book and then start taking him serious and book as well. Yeah. So Bona, I think these are the things that they didn't understand at the time. In fact, they don't understand even now. But this event was actually paying. I charge this guy 3.5. I'm like, yo, for my baby, make it 3.5, my guy. And then you're gonna transport him to Kutsolo and back and accommodate him throughout the weekend. Should I say fine? And then he also books me as a videographer. I have no reason to take him al Kamshid. I've got my own money, you understand? Now we go to Eastern Cape. I send a deposit. When he sends a deposit, if family like I said, they don't want to deal with me, they want to deal with Urichi, I send the deposit straight to Urichi as a manager. So there was no communication between Urichi and the family. Yabo. We go to event, Mchita performer, yonke lawe yanzeka. We're coming back to Cape Town. We dropped him off. When we drop him off kowabo, akafuna kwehli kuthi ufuna usikhapha ayosibeka ngase church so that azosibonisa indlela ephumayo yabo. Okay, fine. Sivaye nyana. Sibuyi. Following day, I wake up. Hey, fethu ndoni kuyathethisa le weyini niki imali kamabibi. What? Go to Facebook, sister wakho postile. Abantu organizer abawuthatha umabibi bamsa kwi event bamkile nemali ngoba bamshiya apha yena ecela ibhiye ebantwini. I'm like, what? But this time ngiqonde yela sisira maninga ma-attendi ku Facebook mani mbambe private. Dimsendele i-screenshots ze payments endizenzileyo ne bookings. Dimsendele ne number yalamjita bebook. Dimcacisele ba nomjita was booked for this amount and but you said you don't want to talk to me. You want to talk to Rich, so imali ndisende ku Rich. Yabo. And no Rich, what we wanted to do, because we know it anyway, when it comes to entertainment, especially Klapeth Kama Baby, it comes and goes. You only have a limited time. So we're like, let's create a match in Patla for Umchita, yabo. Even if he doesn't get bookings, he can still sell because people loves him. Family yake is like, no, maybe we can make his own clothes, he send in imali. Because ndisho kuyenithi, si send le mali yapho kwengayo umchita okanye senze impahla ngayo so that he can make more money. But he's sending, we sent the money. So Mabibi never made any money in my knowledge besides the event of which la mali leyo daye I send abayifumana. So zange satya mali kaMabibi. Mabibi uche imali yethu yabo. And we are not crying about it. We were doing it willingly. Ngenhliziyo eziclean. We wanted to help someone. But lo way yapek fireisha. But apart from lo way he came back to me and he said, you still want to work with me? he enjoyed and he still want me to help him. And osista bakhe ngoba mgxothile because they saw about the music career is not making money. Goku bebemzisa qala besini becinga fanele ba wenza imali because when I spoke to sister wakhe said he spoke with someone that said bana no umuntu kayisenze weyethile suppose kukhona imali azifumanayo bakhona abantu bathanda uzenza clever
yeah
fika umuntu ezenza clever komunye umuntu ngento angayazi no I work in the industry. When you do this you're supposed to be get money from this and this and this but you don't know the process. Oqala maybe is not even a registered artist. You get me? So most of his injury that would pay, we're not paying at that time.
Yeah.
So I'm like, okay, mfethu, we can still work. So I'm like, but ngoku, let me go online and try to get donations zabantu. Xa usithi uxothiwe kuwini ngoku uhlala etipini unakutya unampahla. I'm not going to be able to accommodate zonke as a way, but I know there are people that loves you out there. If I can go online and say ba umabibi uthi in fact uzoyithetha ngokwakho lo wini, I'm just gonna post lo uyithethayo. So ngathi mina ndifuna ukuthi imali yakho. I go and post lo way abantu are willing to donate.
Yeah.
Following day there's another video trending kamabibi ba thina sitya imali yakhe sifuna uduma ngaye kwathini. It's contradicting kule nto beyithethile eqala. Yabo, I was like, what? So lantwana uvusi le ingazange ifuna uhamba ngokurechwa yobathatha pha yiyo erecord mabibi kuba makathi sonke sifuna ukwenza imali ngomabibi sifuna unyuka ngaye sithini yiyo libe imrecorda la video yiyo li post la video yabo. So I'm like umabibi, you know what, this is the last straw yabo. Ngo ifamily yakho was going bad nefamily yakho ngone I'm willing to fight ifamily yakho for you, but now if it's you that's attacking me, that's different. Yeah, but that, come on, that's different. And then umchita comes back and apologize, but I didn't mean that. Forced ngamajita bamakathethe lawe yimo. Mabibi unawuhaka nokuthile yabo. So yonke nothi makayenze uyayenza. So imenze selowile la yokuba makathi utyelwa imali makathini. Send me a VN through a friend of mine uhlala pha eCredog. Ubana I think sister wakhe yangisendela message komnye sister wakhe omncinci. Uba yo lawe bendithetha didn't mean it, I was forced ngamajita manithethe wethile kanje. But I just felt like it's denting my image. Yeah, so I decided to hold back a little. Bakhona abantu that say I still need to help the nigga. Bakhona abantu bathi mandizikhuphe. But I'm like, yo, let me take a break. Yeah, but let me take a break from this. Yeah, so ndikulo moment ndikulo ndo ngokumna naye. I'm still cool with him. I don't have a problem naye. But in terms of pushing, like being pusher, nah man, I need to take a break. Ndikende reset. Baninzi abantu abafuna ndibancede out there.
Okay. Mhlawumbe ngathi message ngathini mhlawumbe onoyichazela abanye abantu nje ubalumkise abantu mhlawumbe umzekelo ufaka onye umuntu ezihlangweni zakho ovele wangena kwinto ebiseyiqhubekela hlobo especially fana nalena kamabibi because umabibi ayingom once zawuthina andazi noba ndizaba ndi-right xa nsithi u-disable na into ezinjalo.
Differently able.
Inhle ngolu hlobo uyibeka ngalo. Kuyingozi kanganani ungalumkisa uthini kwabanye abantu uvese kuyingene nje into since ubona ba wena mhlambe ngokwakho ingathi into nami ndinganceda kuyo mhlambe ungathini mhlambe no je wena into uma uyenze nje ukuxhobisa abantu.
I would say firstly like those people, they always have a guardian. There's always someone that's looking out for them, whether it's family, whether it's whoever, but there's always a guardian for umuntu that's differently able. So first, and I think aqala ufumana inhliziyo zabo baziphi and zinjani before you involve yourself deeply kwento njalo yabo. You might wanna help lo muntu because yena umbone right inhliziyo grand, but ka find out abanye abantu abakwe space sakhe babanjani bona yabo, inhliziyo zabo zinjani, ongathi sozifake deep and then uzo find out ba inhliziyo zabantu azikho as pure as okay. So that be aware of your ways in njalo. Try to find out more about abantu aba involved deeply because the family yakhe leya, I'm just someone but the family yakhe, I mean, come on bro, family is family. Bro.
No, I la way the end I want nami kwabanye abantu njengoba usithi nenhliziyo enhle iphansi yayibhidliza nawe
Yo, bro.
mhlawumbe i-career yakho kanye indlela abantu bakubuka
Babona ngayo, yeah.
bakubuka ngayo masiphinde siqhubeke ngalena engathi nayo lo mbuzo unento engathi nencasa nakhona.
Do we still have time?
We have just
Sisebahle ne?
us. We have 33 minutes, but we will not gonna record the 33 minutes because I have to do khulule because I think ufune uhambile ne. Yeah.
Okay, no, that's cool.
Yeah, ngizokukhulula ngoba no asinazifunda zonke.
Okay.
Asinazifunda. Okay. Usathi ke uSinathemba ne. Uthi if you could bring back one fallen Spaza soldier to jump on a verse with you today, who would it be? And what would that verse sound like? A cry, prayer, or warning?
I think at this moment I would want to bring back Osara.
Why?
Umchita was arrested. He was in prison, and we had a lot of conversations when he was arrested. Yabo. Waphuma kwakhe. We wanted to work musically, yabo. Zininzi izinto that we wanted to address naye. But I was robbed ixesha man, yabo. I feel like ixesha lam la rojwa kuye, because when that day that I'm supposed to meet up with him is that day that he died. Yabo. I'm going to a sightseeing, we're going to talk about his way and figure it out. When he was in prison, we were always in communication. I was helping him out with ways to be in the airtime and yabo. So now he's finally out. It just came back and we were trying to meet and make music, and then I get a call about Mchita. That morning is dead. Now I go to a sightseeing, figure out. So I think I would love to bring him back and senze la nto besiyiplana before avaye.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. I know umculo wena bomnandi nedibene. Mhlambe xa unothi nje ucacise mhlambe ba abanye abantu bane experience ehlukileyo xa ukhunqekile itye kukho umankatheni like sifuna uthetha ke 300 years. Xa nise studio ngophana Cash Inc ne. Yeah. Ibiba njani la environment just nje usinike nje la ntoka la experience nje ingaba bekusenzeka ntoni pa xa bekhona.
So umankatheni ngumuntu othuleyo yabo. Firstly, he's a good rapper, but akangumuntu o active like that. But yive bexabana noqiki. Like isixabane zakhe akasithukane yabo. Qikilithi uwek noma wek wena yabo. Akubone ka siperform abantu bakhala ka perform abani. Athi makatheni xa iphendula. Inceke bayakubona ubhadlaka abaniki. Abantu bayakubona uphila.
Kodwa eziyana ziphinda zihambe zombili.
Zifane ngoko yabo. So besoloko zabana oko but zifana oko yabo. Apart maningi, one thing abantu abaninzi abangazange bayazi, when you're an artist, you're a character. Ngilitye was a very nice guy. Zininzi weye benqanda kuzo. Don't do this, don't do that, don't cheat, don't. But outside he had to show la aggressiveness because it's a character. But him personally was a very, very nice guy. Awuhleli naye umazi nisazana, very, very nice, even conversation wise. Nithethiwe yezokhayo. But when it comes to music, nongaqhelwa pha, he was that guy yoba aggressive, ndingqikilitye ndithintintin. Other than that, he was a very, very smooth and a very, very nice guy umjita. Yabo. Mangatheni ayo very nice kumjita ke yabo, thule akathethi too much, but when he raps, you feel it. Yabo, you're gonna feel it.
Damn.
So iwe njalo man yabo, and it was very sad passing yamajita yabo. Too, because when he passed, we were supposed to host the event different back, but I was doing exams man at the time. I'm like yabo, this is scale. I think I was doing grade 11 or something, but then because around November, so see exams zokuphela konyaka. So Mr. Cash was like, nah, you're not going. Yabo. amajita went for la weekend by Friedenberg ne Saldanha Friedenberg. Then I have a friend of mine Amanda kwela cala. So I'm like, can you please accommodate these guys yabo while belapha bahlala pha kowini, and then mama knows me. They're like, cool. So amajita nyana afike pha ahlale pha, but the event didn't happen that weekend, so they had to stay another week until the following weekend le kuzохostwa nga event. I think they were collaborating with Umkhukhu. Tufumani phone call ko Amanda ba hey just wanna update you ka ba chomi zakho asahlala pha endlini sidibene nechomi ngoku yabo ba busy soloko bese studio uncekike ngumuntu wabantu everywhere we go unje ya adithi avithi umuntu omdala lo usumayenda man yabo yeka vai. I'm not sure if bayabo you but I know Unceke was there, so avaya nyani ke wamyeko Amanda. Be Saturday, Sunday morning I get a call ba mjitayo uhlakiwe kwacha kwacima they're gone. I'm like, what? Akasahlali apha beye khona. Of which I always encourage abantu. I'm gonna say this now on camera. If inviteiwe ngumeals kwi-event and utake lo weekend uzohlala kowabo, hlala kowabo. Don't go and sleep anywhere. Even if ukhona abanye abantu abakuncanyako, we have fans ezininzi abathi yo let's go sosele endaweni ethile. If umeals akekho, do not go. Yabo, always stick to le ndawo uye kuyo. Stay there. Don't go and drink nabanye abantu that we're not part of i-planning yakho yokuya kulo ndawo. Go and uhlale kulo way. People know, I think abantu abaninzi besithi ndiziphakamisile back days because I was not that guy. If ndiye strand ndiyefikela kuSam, ndihlala kuSam, I don't go. Even if you want to have a studio session, let's do it tomorrow emini. We're not gonna go and cross night kwenye ndawo ndibe ndize kule ndawo. And I still keep that principle until now. Nice. So yeah, bomjita ngoku went there ifikele komnyumzi yosoleka izandleni zamanye amajita ebeyakha afikele ku. That was really sad.
And abantu amajita wa understand because kaloko ufikele ku apho thina su understandayo ufikele khona uphumile nohamba kwenye indawo abantu abako understand kula ndawo
ba ithini line wakho
and andikho kwamna nami ke ngoku into ezinje.
Then kuthiwa mina nomona kanisithi kuwe hlala say my guy hlala kuthiwa hawu nomona lo akafuni ba ubani banahambe nabanye abantu kunxabe yabo izawe, but when you need to understand but it's about your safety. Yabo, it's about you. It's not about abanye abantu bathini okanye kuthini. This person is trying to keep you safe. You need to stay there until iphele event ka-meals and then you go home.
Yeah, okay. Hayi John, diziyekile ngoku questions abantu bangixolela abanye abantu andinokwazi ufikelela kuze ixesha limkile. Ixesha limkile. Mandibize nje into eziyi-2 endicingayo ba ndirhalela nabanye abantu beke bazithetha nayo.
Okay.
Phofu ngiqala ngale yam qala. Umashonisa ne?
Yeah.
Mhlambe nguye lo wakwenza ba ukube kanti uyithande kakhulu uyisebenzisa autotune. Mhlambe wayifunda kuye lento.
Umasho?
Yeah.
Not really. Not really. If you listen to ingoma zebhetyara, I think ingoma that I recall Umasho aspanise kuyi autotune kuLollipop no Baby Girl. Mostly Funi Malyam. It was always his heart, not autotune. So I didn't get it there. If many autotune, I think Empire.
Okay.
Yeah, I think indeed the Fundeko Empire because most the artists based record part they were using
autotune. Okay.
Yeah. So I think that part was to be precisely producing the Fundeko Empire, like to master ingoma. Because Empire would record the project, lise kuya I masterishe phambi kwam and then save the presets and nike yona and then if you can disband and just tweak it for your vocals as different.
Okay.
Yeah. So Empire most of his indominant is funde kuye when it comes to production. My show was he never taught me, sit me down and be like, yo, I do this like this. Nah, I was just looking at a sense. Empire would sit me down and bonus by way till you and
yeah. Empire is good. Yeah. Yo, but yo, Mashonisa, yo. I mean, like in terms of you using autotune, high professional. It's not J man. Like that guy into Itachayo.
Now I overlooked him I looked him over the shoulder every time I span away. Okay, but most even the recording projects then this man Masho. At the time there was no Cubase. There was Cubase, but it was not popular. We're using Nuendo for recorded vocals.
Okay,
But
that's
still Fruity Loops for beats. And then Cubase was about popular later on.
yeah, it's a cousin of new window.
I think they come from Steinberg. Yeah.
Day one.
At least meals I know, but so I go Steinberg. They're food, right?
Yeah. Okay, question okala ndikuvale ndiyeke.
Okay.
Uthe omnye payana ukuzibiza ngoSean phinde uzibize ngoHoho Notyi ezo zinto zivele xa kutheni.
Can you say never know oh please. Okay, Hoho Notyi legama lam. Hoho Notyi ndim no Tiny. Like Benchilo, I was teaching him how to write. We started doing music at high school. Sas busy Hoho Notyi. We didn't use it for years before we started recording umculo wethu, and then we used like a class in sasaziwa is Hoho Notyi, but they never heard umculo wethu, and we would sing.
And then intoni Hoho Notyi?
Yes.
Niyazibiza nje?
No, the thing is, I think it with 300 years, yabo, Onqikilitye or Retex. So we wanted to come with the Camelo Yikisayo, Hoho Notyi. Yeah, we don't know what it is. But also at that time, I feel like rappers zangoku, the difference between rappers zangoku and rappers zangoku. Ngoku, everything was about aggressiveness. There was a question, I think we're going to check on Facebook. It was about spirituality.
Yeah.
Then and now. Ngoku, everything was about aggressiveness. And I feel like amachidango 5%, they're referring to that. You need to be aggressive. You need to be that bad and then. So if you are soft, soft, you belong at 95, but they don't understand music like that. I feel like music is versatile. Music is you need to understand the core of music before you can say, "Bah, this song is whack, this song is nice." When we came doing autotune, we were this. I'm a friend of Pizzo, but there was a song to sing autotune. But now my bro is singing autotune. Times other people they keep up with time at that moment, but others by a delay. And then realize it later about, hey, shit, this is the thing. Because when we came, there was hardcore rap. We came, say, sweet niche. Only Lil Wayne came, Kono Tupac, be rapper like that. Weezy came and changed the game. Now there's not the baby. There's a lot of different artists. They changed from the Weezy era to what's happening now. So it keeps evolving. You just need to evolve with time and just let it flow. Don't want to stick to that. Yeah, so ngoku Hoho Notyi wanted to be ezakakazoyikwayo nathi ba yo sizi Hoho Notyi ongeni Hoho Notyi ezakakazoyikeka yabo. But we were doing la isasenza ngala hlobo sasenza ngalo.
And then Sean Kidd?
Sean Kidd, Sean, it's a name that I've been called like long time ago. Lisuka kumshumayeli. From Shumayeli to Mshuster to Sean. Elawe evolve yabo.
Little bit nice.
From 80s to 90s to 2Ks. Little bit nice. Shumayeli, Mshuster, Sean Kidd.
Okay.
Then Mary J. Flower. But people still call me Sean. It's not my pet name.
Abo Schuster ungena ngela maxesha wona athi uMabheka.
Yeah.
Kuthiwe ngela maxesha uMabheka.
So yeah, we enjalo yabo. Otherwise Hoho Notyi logama lam,
Okay.
It was a Q.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, masukiyeke masivele sikukhulule budere, otherwise awutyi ixesha lakho. Otherwise enye imini sivese sincokole nje kahle nje podcast.
Okay. Buza one question on the spot.
Okay. You want to ask me now?
And then I'm going to ask you before.
Yeah. So ndithi next time uzozwakala and then we just nje sincokoleni yabo indaba nje zomculo nje singaphandle ngoba sihlwaye imibuzo nesihlaye maybe sishwaye just sincokoleni about i-content, sincokoleni about izinto zomculo deeply, like I'm gonna bring another people abawaziyo umculo now just sincokoleni nje ngendaba zomculo nje without nje uhlwayela imibuzo ba uthi into so that kuzokhanya abantu bafunde ba
understand
yeah yenze kanjani into enje na kanjani like deeply siye straight nje, not just ukurekhoda qha, singaphelele ekurekhodeni kanti just sicopole.
Xa sowukhona, what do we do with it?
Yes, into ezinjalo, so that siba prepareishe bangaba izoba njani. So sizoya kulonto leyo enjalo, so ngomnye wabantu abazawuza bangene. Masikuhlabele ibeat. Oh, ukhona umbuzo ubunawo.
Khona umbuzo endinawo.
Masikulungisela ibeat alomdlela laxesha usahlabe
Umbuzo wami, there was a question, and I've been away from music for quite some time, so ingqondo yam to keep on verses iyastrugglisha, so ngicela undike phone, I'm gonna read verse engenayo guys. Exolweni andizazi ngenhloko. I think a lot. Anyway,
Okay.
there was the questions about to the TEF.
So kunikeza le. Yeah. Question about the honor.
Yeah.
Okay.
And kwathethwa about lack of a crew. Would you want to be part of that in the future if it continues as a production guy?
Yeah, we'll sit down and talk about it, yabo. Sibonisa lapha. Now, andingula muntu unothanda ukuhlala phansi nomuntu xa ine idea right. Sihlale phansi sincokole and then sisebenze, yabo. And sozo dithi kuwe, yeah siyasebenza. No, that's why ngithi kuwe, we will talk, sawuhlala phansi sibonisana ba siyasebenza. Yabo, kodwa ke mna ndinomdla futhi neNansika sendiyibonile nayo. I-short film nayo sendiyibonile, so inikisa umdla, so akho nto inobangela uba singasebenzi, but we need just to sit down sibonisane ngo-1 and 2 and then siyeke ke ngoko into isebenze lo hlobo. Nintsi indlela yosebenzisana, asiyimali yodwa. Yeah, let me play the beat. Sithatha kakhulu apha.
Okay, kayidlale ndiva ba ndiyafaka ndonke lo beat le.
Okay, let me play this one.
What kind of beat?
Listen to this one.
I don't wanna. Okay. Mills and forget on the spot. What? You can't be a rapper and say you can't rap on this type of beats.
Here's the second one. So you choose between these two.
Okay.
Okay. Which one?
Leo Kabem.
Later.
Yes.
Alright. Funa ubulala uMills sendiyibonile le nto. Funa le kanye ka Mills.
Yiyo.
Yeah, funa ubulala uMills the fine. Alright, nali iqonga lobulalana.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see.
Okay. Alright. Masikasifakele siye khona.
Don't you ngathi ngihleli comfortable?
Yeah, awuhleli kahle le game. Hey, last time.
Post have you right.
Yeah, last time ngathi ufakwe iNansika empundu. Ichuphu.
This nigga. Okay, let's go. Flowers. Yeah. Hey, ukuba uzenza unqesta uzayifela ivesta buze kumazesta easy tester windi investor was a mess and gazi nix does it mix anabaninzi does it miss does it ness does frustech I'll never lose khulekasi aim kuphuhlisa ulwazi inzulu ulwazi mntana negazi sileqe sigela sigace stars abazama usithatha chance they rest in peace nabaphansi busuphiri njasikas nesabhongo shiya intshongo sikhupha umhlathi kuvela igonga abanye abadubuleka uzibuze why kushiyana ogogo abanye sibhizi isitoko sami intsula sibane sibamba itorho cela undiyeke torho cause unotyi wayizala ihorho yabantswempo koko underdog undercover mongro hey jo ngamanika su nhlimpinika ka ehi on your nika stay ngenodenga nzenza indoda ingani uyafika nqe liza kusika busondela ubusika ndiyinqaba ndiyinsika liqhakazi kamva nikistanga siyandinga jika kuba uyakwacha uzojika king in this jungle ezizenge anti the pants the fungal yo maniga my bra I just right time and one and nice one man. I write a lot of verses but I never practice this because in one but in case uyasibiza apha there's a studio session I know I've got something.
Okay. That's dope. Then ke ndayiva ku Java lo nto le. Not ku Java. Ndayive ku ngibani usebenza no Java nawo. Big Zulu.
Yeah.
I think Big Zulu, Big Zulu, hey, basop usjava, neyiphi ingoma bangeyesitswana ngeyasintoni unayo verse yayo. Uyandoni, uhleli nje uneverse, uyabhala.
Might not know it ngenhloko but it's there.
It's there.
And you will
Mawungena
remember by
ingoma,
Peter Thiel.
kumbe
Yeah,
iyangena.
if you're saying that's what I do. I write a lot, but practicing and I don't have the time for that.
Thank you so much, brother. Thank you for isikhathi sakho. Abantu bangakufumana phi xa bekufunayo?
Yo, bangandifumana pha eCrafendane. Yabo.
Hey, wena uthe ufuna utakelwa nje. Asithethi kanjalo.
No, kwi-socials Mary J Flower. Abantu bathanda ukwenza mistake Mary J Flower yombhala wrong. So it's MARRY JFLOWER. Mary J Flower, one word, no spaces. Just one word. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. And go big kangako kulawe ku X. So
Okay.
I don't even play it, in fact, and it's fun in this for my pa. And then I just created a Twitch, same thing, Mary J Flower. So I'm gonna be streaming.
All right, that's good. That's
Inspired by
good.
Euclid. Kukhona artist yam ekutef ebethe is in the mention. I would love to mention here, yabo.
Okay.
Unandi Mangoyeni, she's a good actress.
All right.
And this coming month, she's going to Durban for auditions. It's a film. I just forgot the way yeah. But she's one of the people in City. I can't just give up because there are people that believe in me and believe in the project like that. Last night we crossed night song esaya studio. She's not even a rapper, but she was there. Okwesitsho Tameri uya ku podcast ngomso unmention pha uthethe ngam.
I see you. Ngani igama lakhe?
Nandi.
Nandi, I see you.
Izolo I was super drunk. So cabande natipha.
Watipela kuye.
TMT were in the room. Caba they wanted to take a video. Nandi is the one who was like, that shit is not going to happen.
Damn.
She stood up for me. Him, like her and Lucy, they were like, nah, that shit is not going to happen. But even I'm trying to like, I was not even gonna mind it even if we ends a kill. But he's just someone that you like. These people, they would, even if these people will defend you. You need people like that. So I'm gonna be that guy for her as well. Like I'll support her till.
Much taka yona yakufota na.
Hayi phoza yami inqandile ngo TMT.
Oh, okay.
Bangikhela TMT kwathi.
Hayi mntakwethu bye basivale ngelo hlobo. But ke uwenza kanjani ukuze avoid into ezidibene njalo beef nendoni. Because bathi ungathi uyihrotman ekwaziyo uku-avoid lo way.
Jengo meals. No mna ndonqena beef from anyone, but I don't start it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but ungagcina uzandibeefa online xa sidibane estratweni ndihleke nawe. It's not like that. Yabo. And also be aware when you're starting a beef with me. I've got people, I'm the influencer yama parapara. You might get killed without even me knowing.
Utsho kumanqoba yona.
Amanqoba intwana yami strong on there.
Okay.
Yeah, but naye funeka yazi.
Yaboyika ba liphara naye.
Benifuna incuzaba la, benifuna umqhoba pha man. Yebo manqoba. Benifuna umqhoba pha man. Qha ngelishwa she ndifike ngekho.
Liphara la ka Facebook lo uthe singaluza liphara elizalithethe ngemonetization ezonto liphara le monetization.
But on a real when it sometimes the ways to be in a beef, sometimes there are people that take it personal, not me. You ungandisa something I take it personal, but there are people on the streets that might take it personal.
Okay.
Uzibona ulimala yabo ndibe ndingekho aware of London. Maybe mina ndina ibrusha off after umaningi solekile kwadumiwe yoba ndingise ngomjeda kwe-Illuminati because people believe that song like that ye-Illuminati. Laphansi ndahlatywa estrand, like laphansi ndaleqwa ngegoni estrand. So people really take it serious ezinye ways ezenzayo musically. So be careful. Well, don't just do it for fun sometimes. Be mindful of your way. I might not be aware uve kuthiwa umjida ucofiwe endaweni ethile. Kanti it's someone that fucks with me, that respects my craft, and they felt offended xa usenza la way kum. So we've got people like that in the streets.
Yazi besifuna uvala but uphatshe nenye into ke le Illuminati yakhona. Akuvaleki. La ngoma xa niphinda nenze remix yakhona ingathi nawe ikhona istory osibalisayo phayana engathi ukhona into ongayithandanga ubufuna ugqithisa ngabantu wena utata timer yakho kutheni khawubalise ngalonto leyo.
No, but it was just a song.
It's personal.
Yeah, Itama Yam was there in my early life, yeah, bo. I think until I was like 7. And then Itama Yam had 2 froze. When I was about 2, so there was Umdala. I've got older sisters, and then my mom. So lo Umdala uhlala phaya ezilalini kulo time, and then umama and the timer bokha emthatha, yeah, bo. So I think when I was 7, Umjida left, yeah, bo. Wabuyela back ezilalini. And I never seen him again from then until we had a communication again. Senzo Yoko Luke out 2013. And then the Khotman Amindala was like, nah, let's do it the right way. Every time I was always his favorite. Yeah, well, even though he was not part of my life, but I was like, let me go. Yeah, but then I got to meet his family side. Go 2013, Dai Chang, came back, tried to create a relationship with him. My dad is 81 years old, turning 81 in fact this year. He's a very old gent, very loving. I don't know his stories like any old age, and I don't want to get into it. It's not my problem. Yabo. Umchita always shows support now. So the song
now, but back then.
No, he left when I was 7, and that's what when I 18. Look, oh come on, I already have that relationship with him.
Okay. But nini ngofuna uqhethisa ngaye ngokungakamboni?
Yeah.
Okay. Kodwa yazisola ngofuna uqhethisa ngaye.
No, then I wouldn't do that. If it was real,
it was real. Ongazoyenza.
Yeah, no, I wouldn't sacrifice anyone for anything.
Hey, ivakala ngathi nani serious madoda pa.
No, it was music, man. We were entertain. We see the characters.
Okay.
Yeah, so we just entertain. Yes, yeah, act. Now kumangathi niqhethisa ngami nje on the same song. Yet me.
Kodwa ke nawo unganomthethela ke nonciki ngathi uvakala ngathi wayithetha manyani yena baba. Hey, hayi olethu ndiziselana apha endlaleni. Yini?
I think for you, maybe it was. I don't like it. The crazy part is that I don't know. We never get into that about families.
Okay.
Yeah, but my killers and my other guys and my friends, they know my story. I'm actually figure kumahlale ema-creatine. One room, on a tie with 1 bed, by 4 as the kids with the mother. Sister woman, my younger brother, but like betting, me and my brother would sleep on the floor. I'm much the literally creatine, but I never wore like walking eye. I was always known as like a speeder in the streets.
Yeah.
Whereas mouse, it's upstairs, again, it's a house. I'm not gonna say but pilanj, and I don't know the situation about party appearance wise. Much that were good, yeah, back then. But in the streets, I was the coolest. Do you know about Tomita? Baga sister wam.
Atoma bamnyama.
Aba red.
Yo, aba red, yeah.
Ne pump. I used to wear pump. Where's that pump?
Aba red.
With
Yo.
skinny jeans and his scarf and stuff. Like I was always swagged up, but to make sure I look representable in the streets. So that you situation yakho. Khona khona manethe kum ingxaki zakho azizinguwanga. Ingxaki zakho zi-exista because when you exista, without you ingxaki zakho exist.
Mahle lo magama. Wow wala mahlaba. Hayi mahle but hey masivale but kwifeni yakho enkulu uthi abantu the crown.
Uthini phoza yami?
Uthi ba your thoughts on Cry for Hip Hop, your advice for creatives that side of Cry Foundation.
What I can say is as lo mntu ndinguye at this moment, and the connections that I have and the access that I have, even with the businesses in Cry Foundation, oqala makuspanwe makusetyenzwe yabo. Bonakala Phithizela. Last night uPolity hosted an event elingeni. It was a huge success. Bekugcwele kakhulu. Ilinge in, we didn't charge Polity for anything. Ilinge in is willing to accommodate people that want to come and work the host event. Sound, everything is provided. Venue, everything. When you just need to come with the idea and bring people to the event yako. And then there's a first class I spoke with the owner yapha uTazano. uTazano was like, the space is open for any creative that want to create something, but the creatives don't approach these venues. Yeah, and then abantu bathi baya gatekeeper, why elinge in kungaperformanyiswa hip hop artist, why kungathini kuthini, but you have a platform to do your own hip hop show pha elingeni. So I think they need to take them seriously and then push, because the way you cry online, it's not span. Polity is putting himself out there. He's not the only one. There are many other artists as is Bushai, but he reach that level about approach these guys. Go to Elingen and ask who's in charge. You don't have to uze kumeri okanye kuniki okanye Elingen straight. Uyobuza who's in charge. They show you to Umali, you go to Umali and be like, I wanna do a hip hop event. There's the days is available for that.
Fuck, let's close this thing. Uyigqibile.
You feel me?
Ongavanga ngongena ndlebe. Sawumnceda ngesign language. Bye bye.
Last question, Malini short.
Ayithi xa ufuneka ndikrobe apha ke ngoku ikhathalo yakhona kaloku ayizonto ezethu ezi.
Yeah, but how much? Like I would love to support, yeah, bro.
Let me quickly check it now.
Semesela ne.
No.
Unasa speed point?
No, awuzukwazi uyithenga ngoku.
But no, I know hamba nayo ngoku.
No, I awuzukwazi uyithenga ngoku because I already spoke about Onatsika the last episode. No, episodes ezi-3 ezidlulileyo istock sichayile in Cape Town. Yes. Thetha ngoku shoko apha straight it. But Mandis, please buzise bonke utywala eKapa qha.
Except Budam.
Mxelele.
Yeah, okay.
Mxelele ba mabuze apha bonke ngoku.
Mara
Mandisi indwana yakho Mills the first uyanithanda uyayazi ngwe noSisiliso. I love you guys. Sicela nizise utywala eKapa man.
yeah.
Sinxaniwe asizazi eziwesiziselayo.
Because iwendi zoyenza ngoku yabo ubra uzanikhuphelela lebhotile ilapha I feeling amanzi yena yabo for appearance. Diamensela mina endleleni. Yabo and then dibhatala and speed point.
Ayizizo.
Sinaso speed point but I think uyivile message.
Yeah, but anyway, like on a serious note causes stock yabo. We are also willing to advertise the way yabo si push. It's a black owned business. Please yabo.
Indwana yethu.
Yeah, yabo. I don't know you personally, but I see the way and it's proper.
Umjita activist
like kwalapha nje kufitshane.
Umjita activist
Ijin
yonke into ziwezami
Anti-differential
kemara ingwe noSisiliso neyazi saphani way.
Yeah.
Please man.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much Tamara. Yenza do the right thing.
Ngokunjalo.
It's okay. Thank you, bro.
Come to the biggest podcast in the world. Yeah. Me say dive into the rhythm, feel the new wave vibe. Yeah. Where fresh thoughts and voices come alive. Yeah. From deep conversations to the latest trends. Yeah. Won't you join us on this journey where the wave never ends? It's inspirational, yeah, educational, conversational, and intellectually. The gold and the best in the game, yeah. Tell me how you catching the wave, yeah. It's a new wave, yeah. It's a new wave. It's inspirational, educationally, conversationally, and intellectually. The best and the gold in the game, yeah. Tell me how you catching the wave, yeah. It's a new wave, yeah. Catch a new wave, yeah.